जय सियाराम. If you want to get success in English speaking, you want to get fluency, or in whichever field you want to get success, who is our God? Especially the person who wants to get fluency in English, who wants to speak freely, okay, who wants to learn English, who wants to develop. Who is God? Generally, what we define God as G for generator, O for operator, and D for destroyer. Brahmaji is generator, Bhagwan Vishnu is operator, and Bhagwan Mahadev, Bhagwan Shankar is destroyer. Right? But for us, when we are learning English, we want to speak English, we want to develop our fluency, we want to develop ourselves. At that time, in whichever field we want to develop, who is our generator, who is our operator, and who is our destroyer? In which form we have to see Brahma, in which form we have to see Vishnu, and in which form we have to see Shankar. On the other side, we can say that in which form Brahma comes in our life, in which form Bhagwan Vishnu comes in our life, in which form Bhagwan Shiv comes in our life. For me, this is what I have felt. I am just sharing with you. Before long years, around 10 to 12 years ago, when I was teaching to my students, I always used to say, at that time I had no this idea. But now I realize, I always used to say 3P for progress, 3P for peace, and 3P for prosperity. So at one side there is a peace, progress and prosperity. For this 3P we require. And now I realize that these 3P are our G, O and D. God, operator, means generator, operator and destroyer. Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. The first P is patient. Patient, Passion. Passion should be there. We must have a passion. We must have a kind of enthusiasm in us, zeal. The person who is not enthusiastic can do nothing. ઉત્સાહ તો હોવો જોઈએ ને યાર, જેને આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં ધગસ કહી. That should be there. So that is the first thing. A person must have a passion. कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी बोले अब कुछ करिए, कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, उन पे करिए या मरिए, चक दे. In what I mean to say is that we must have a passion. In Dasrath Manji's voice, Dasrath Manji's manner, जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे नहीं. So this passion it should be there. So this passion is generator. This is our Brahma. Brahma generates. So the passion generates. So for us, Brahma comes in our life in the form of passion. Enthusiasm, zeal, utsah, umang. But just generating something is not enough. That's why then after there comes the maintenance of it, operating system. Bhagwan Vishnu resides us, comes in our life in the form of second P, and that is a practice. Practice. We always used to say practice man makes perfect. Practice makes man perfect. So practice is the key point. So this is our second P, the form of Lord Vishnu. Work and work. बट हाउ टू वर्क विथ पैशन. काम करना है, उत्साह से करना है. થાકેલા પાકેલા મરેલા દિન કેમ જાય, not like this yaar. So this is the second point. It means that our second P is practice. But there is a requirement of third P, and without this is not enough. Destroyer, Bhagwan Mahadev, Bhagwan Shankar, what he destroys? He destroys doubt. Until and unless there is no destruction of doubt in our life, we can't do anything. So many times it happens. We have zeal. We start practice, but then after finish. Why? Because the doubt destroys our all things. Who destroys doubt? Lord Shiv. And who is Lord Shiv? Lord Shiv is the form of trust, confidence, Vishwas. And when there is Vishwas in our life, when there is trust in our life, when there is confidence in our life, okay, we can do third thing, and that is patience. The person who has no trust cannot wait. He will not have patience. He is restless. When will happen? What will happen? How will happen? I am doing practice. I am enthusiastic. I am doing practice. But when will it happen? In 2, 3 or 5 days, he becomes restless. Why? Because he has no the third, and that is patience. And why he is no patience? Why he has no patience? Just because he has a doubt. Whether it will happen or not. Whether it will happen or not. So he will realize, once it happens, then he will relax. Thank God it happened. But the person who has patience, okay, he can wait. He will continue his practice with patience because he has patience. He knows, he has trust that it will happen. So in short, I am talking about, when we will get time, we will discuss in detail sometimes. But right now, okay, within 9 or 10 minutes we have to finish. That's why let me just give you a confidence on these things, that this passion, this practice and this patience is our God. Passion is our generator, practice is our operator, and patience, dheeraj, which does not appear without trust, without confidence, is our Bhagwan Mahadev. Now, how to get patient? How to get practice? How to maintain practice? And how to have patience? For this, what should I do? What should you do? What can we do? And how can we do? With folded hands, I would like to say, with kind, not request, but with kind, what I would like to say, the consideration, okay, I would like to share with you that there are 3 things. Hari Shravanam, Hari Shravanam, Hari Shravanam, Hari Shravanam. Shravanam, listening of Katha, listening of Ishwar, the first thing. Second one, Hari Shmaranam, Hari Shmaranam, Hari Shmaranam, Hari Shmaranam. Second is Ishwar Smaran, Naam Jap, Naam Smaran. It gives passion, it gives the power to practice, and it gives patience too. And the third one, Hari Sharanam, 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 Hari Sharanam. I listened this dhun, Hari Sharanam, in Bapu's Katha. So, when we are at the feet of God, we get that kind of energy. We have passion, we have practice, and we have patience with the grace of Paramatma, Parameshwar. So, this is what for those students, for us, just who are trying to get fluency, for we, the passion, the practice, and patience are our generator, operator, and destroyer of doubt. So have patience, have practice, and have patience by the grace of Hari Shravan, Hari Smaran, and Hari Sharan. No matters who God you love, no matters, but when there is a grace of God, it happens. Jai Shri Ram.